education was our modern-day civil rights movement. Our work has been around what can I do to level the playing field between people of color and others, people that were under-resourced. Their ACT scores were too low to get them into four-year colleges and universities. I knew I needed to do more.
What makes Freedom Prep different is their care for people. It's unmatched from what I've seen in my almost 20 years of working in a charter space. When I was first introduced to Freedom Prep, how it was described to me is like a private school experience, but for free to those students who are economically disadvantaged, so they could have that well-rounded experience and exposure and be prepared for college and in life.
We have a high bar for our students, but we also have a high bar of excellence for ourselves. We do it with love and joy and compassion, and we do it because we truly believe in proving what's possible for Black and Brown students across the South.
There is such a sense of joy and excellence that rings within our hallways that anybody that has an opportunity to step into our schools will see that we are doing something different. Freedom Prep is the place to be.
Our teachers not only are teaching, but they really care about the child. They care about their well-being. They are really invested in our students. And I would tell any parent, if you're looking for a school that really cares about the whole child, then you need to bring them to Freedom Prep.
One of the best things about Freedom Prep is that once you come on campus, once you talk to a staff member, from the custodian to the head of school to even myself, you feel community and connectedness. That's the Freedom Prep way. That's the way that we change education. That's the way that we're moving education.
What's different about Freedom Prep is if you want your child to really be seen and really be cared for, not just as a student, but as a child, Freedom Prep is where you want to be.
You see an environment where learning is happening everywhere you turn. People don't believe that schools in urban areas full of Black and brown children can look like this, and they do. They look like calm, joyful, happy, serious learning environments.